Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my small off-grid Renogy solar power system. So this is an off-grid system. I'm using panels from Renogy, and I've got a 100-watt panel over here, a little bit bigger, and then I've got three 50-watt panels. And I've got these all going into a four-way splitter wired up in parallel, which means that I'm getting about 250 watts of power out of this system. And then that's all going into my Adventurer charge controller here. And we can take a look at the power we're getting out of this. It's mostly in the shade. You can see we get the battery voltage, we get the temperature on the battery, 13.1 volts out of the panels, and I'm getting almost an amp even in the total shade, almost total shade here of current coming out of my Renogy panels. These are really great panels because they are pretty durable, hold up well over time. Been using mine for a while. I'm just building this setup now, but you can clean them off really easily, and they're really great for off-grid applications. The power's coming in here, and then the charge controller is charging my Renogy deep cycle battery. And I'm going to look into using this for a variety of things. I'm running a computer off-grid, and also it's really great to have this in the event of a power outage, to be able to generate a bit of your own electricity at your home, even if you don't have roof-mounted panels, or if your roof-mounted panels shut off during an outage, as many do. You have a little bit of power that you can use for things like lighting. If you have an inverter, which I'm going to add to the system, then you can use it for lamps and things. You can use it for running any kind of small household appliances, power tools, anything you might need during an extended time with a power outage. So I like the energy independence that comes with this. It's also just a great way to experiment with off-grid power, and probably use it for some backyard lighting and that kind of thing during times when there's not a power outage. So combining the Renogy panels, the charge controller, and then into this great Renogy deep cycle battery, we have a total off-grid power system.